Hello everyone, I am back now. Okay, we have already learned that personal computers. Okay, about personal computers we have already learned in previous class. So today we will learn about now some here is some questions we have to solve it. Okay. Okay, before starting I want to discuss about previous class. We have already learned that types of personal computers: desktop computer, laptop, notebook, tablet. Okay, now time to answer. So what do you have to do? You have to tick the correct answer. Which of the following is not a personal computer? So you can see two options are there. One laptop, one is supercomputer. So we all know now that supercomputer is not a personal computer. Okay, second question. It is meant to be used a single location. So here is two option. One is desktop computer and another one is tablet. Okay, so it will happens. So number one you can see desktop computer and number two is their tablet. Yes, we all know that desktop computer is used to be a single location. Now number three, which of the following has a touch screen interface? As we know all that tablet has a touch screen interface. Now number four, which of the following is a wireless computer? Which one is wireless computer? Yes, laptop. Laptop is a wireless computer. It can be taken along from you. You can take it along. Which one will happen? Obviously tablet. Okay, everyone do this. It is your homework. Okay, and I will check it now. Supercomputer. What is supercomputer? See, it's look like this. Okay, it's look like this. So you can see the picture. Supercomputer. Okay, this is a supercomputer. Okay, now supercomputers are very large. You can see that, and expensive computers. Okay, it is very costly. They are the most powerful and fastest type of computers. It is very powerful and fastest type of computers. They are used in weather forecasting and nuclear energy research, etc. Okay, they are used in weather forecasting and nuclear energy research, etc. Now the next one you can see mainframe computer. See the picture, it's called a mainframe computer. Okay, mainframe computers are also very large computers. Okay, these are all large computers. They are used by large organizations and processing data and solving complex queries such as banks and government offices. Actually they are used for the many processing of data and solving the complex of queries like banks, you can say government office. Okay, it's mainly used in that only. অ্যাজ ইয়োর মাদার টাং আই ক্যান সে দ্যাট, যেহেতু এটি এত বড় একটা অর্গানাইজেশন, তার জন্য কি হচ্ছে এটা কিন্তু মেনলি ব্যবহার করা হয় ব্যাংকে এবং বিভিন্ন সরকারি অফিসে। ঠিক আছে, সচরাচর আমরা কিন্তু এগুলো সব জায়গায় দেখতে পাবো না। ওকে, নাও দ্য অনলি ডিফারেন্স বিটুইন মেন ফ্রেম অ্যান্ড সুপার কম্পিউটার ইজ দ্যাট মেন ফ্রেম কম্পিউটার্স পারফর্ম থাউজেন্ডস অফ টাস্কস simultaneously, while supercomputers perform only one specific task at a time. That means that supercomputer can work thousands of tasks. That means this computer, okay, it can work thousands of tasks. In mother tongue you can say that হাজার রকমের সে কাজ করতে পারে কন্টিনিউ ভাবে, কিন্তু but a supercomputer but supercomputer perform only the specific times at a time. Okay, now let's see it again. The only difference between mainframe and supercomputer is that mainframe, that means this computer, okay. Before I have done mistake, I have tell that supercomputer will be happen main computer, okay. The mainframe computers perform thousands of tasks, okay, but supercomputer perform only one specific task at a time. In a mother tongue you can say that the supercomputer only work, okay, at a time, একটা সময় ধরে করে, ঠিক আছে। আর মেইনফ্রেম কি করছে, মেইনফ্রেম করছে থাউজেন্ডস অফ ওয়ার্ক, হাজার রকমের কিন্তু সে কাজ করছে কন্টিনিউভাবে, ওকে। নাও টার্ন ইউর পেজ এভরিওয়ান। Here is some work for you, that write P for the portable devices and U for the unportable devices, okay. That means in your mother tongue you can say that, okay, now those computers are easy to carry. In a mother tongue সহজে বহন করা যায় তাকে বলা হয় পোর্টেবল, and those computers are unportable, সহজে বহন করা যায় না, it's very weighted, okay, তাকে বলা হয় unportable. Clear? Okay, now desktop computer, we all know that it is very large and heavy also, so we can't carry it, so this is unportable. Laptop is, we know, it's very you can say lightweighted and we can carry in anywhere, so it is portable. Tablet, obviously portable. Mainframe, no, we cannot take it anywhere, no, because it's very large and weighted, so it is unportable. Supercomputer is also unportable. Yes, notebook we can carry, so it is portable. Okay, now I know that PC stands for personal computer. That means PC full form is personal computer. It is designed to be used by only one person at a time. Okay, in a mother tongue you can say that যে একজন ব্যক্তির দ্বারাই এটা একটা সময় কিন্তু তৈরি করা হয়েছিল, ওকে। নাও আর ডেস্কটপ কম্পিউটার ক্যান বি স্মল, মিডিয়াম, লার্জ, okay, large in size and is usually placed on a desk. As we see, that's desktop computer, it can be small, it can be medium or large in size, is usually placed on desk, okay. See the first point, personal computer, it is designed to be used by only one person at a time. That means একটা কম্পিউটারে একজনই বসতে পারবে, ওকে, ঠিক আছে, এবং তার জন্যই সেটা ডিজাইন করা হয়েছিল এবং সেটা কিন্তু তারা কাজও করতে পারবে, ঠিক আছে, ওকে। নাও a laptop is small sized computer that can be carried from one place to another. As we all know that notebook computers are light in weight and smaller than a laptop or computer. We previously already learned about this. A tablet is a wireless portable device that has a touch screen interface. It's like a mobile phone, no? Supercomputer and main computers are very big in size, okay. So we have already finished our second chapter. It's time to learn, okay. So everyone learn this. Next class we will discuss our exercise and all the question answer, okay. Still then you have to learn, okay, learn these all, okay. Then thank you, bye bye.